Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Tether, USDT, from Bitrue Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started with crypto, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, transferring assets between exchanges can optimize your trading strategy or simply consolidate your holdings. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitrue and Kucoin, and that your Bitrue account has some USDT ready to withdraw. Start by logging into your Bitrue account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section. It's usually in the main dashboard. Here, find your USDT balance and click on the Withdrawal option. Next, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. This is crucial. Double-check the network you're using. For most transfers between exchanges like Bitrue and Kucoin, you'll want to choose the TRC20 network for faster and cheaper fees, but confirm what Kucoin supports to avoid any issues. Now, enter your Kucoin wallet address. To get this, log into your Kucoin account, go to the Assets page, select USDT, and copy the deposit address. Paste it carefully into the Bitrue withdrawal form. After that, specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Remember to leave enough for any network fees. Check the estimated fees displayed on Bitrue. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication, 2FA, step for security. After submission, the transaction will be processed, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, head back to your Kucoin account and check your USDT balance in the Assets section. If everything went smoothly, your funds should be there. A quick tip: always verify addresses and networks to prevent losses, and keep an eye on transaction fees as they can vary. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated with exchange announcements. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Tether from Bitrue to Kucoin. This process is simple once you get the hang of it, but if you run into any hiccups, double-check your steps or reach out to exchange support. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.